Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review for the furniture feet. Get some fresh kicks for your furniture. They protect the floors, stop noise, fit any shaped furniture leg, long lasting, and won't fall off. There's a set of 8 inside. They're flexible, you'll see right here, and they stretch for any fit. Very cool products. We'll have the Amazon link below to buy these things. I'll also have the full line of products that this company makes. A lot more shape, fits any shape. You can read this on your own. Pause it as needed. Pretty cool product. I've used them myself. Love them. They keep my tile and all that other stuff from getting scratched. Works on wood, linoleum, and more. They also come in small. This is the large size. Okay. Amazon link below to buy. And be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com. By the time we post this video, we're also going to put some furniture protectors on there as well. So maybe you can get some comparison pricing. But check it out today. Amazon link below. Also check out Chmelaeon.com. Highly recommend this product. It's also as seen on TV. And now it's as seen on Chmelaeon YouTube. Chmelaeon.com out.